I have two lingerie cabinets. They're both French provincial. And I bring them into the store and one of them sells immediately, just as is, and off it goes to get painted by a wonderful artist. And then I have this other one and it's just sitting there and the store is so busy. And I'm going, I don't know, I'm not gonna be able to get to this. I gotta put it in the truck, I gotta take it home. So I put it in the truck and I drive around with it in my truck for about 4 days. And this customer comes into the store and she says, I'm looking for a lingerie cabinet. And I'm like, I have one in my truck. I go out to the truck and I show her it and she loves it and she's excited. She says, I don't know if I can talk my husband into it. For you for 24 hours, just. So when you're using napkins to decoupage, you need to take apart the plies. So these ones happen to only be 2-ply, so they're easier to get apart. I got these at the dollar store and they're super cheap napkins. Not just cheap, but they're cheap. Call me and tell me if you want it. I never hear from her. Well, it's still in my truck, so I finally get it out and I'm like, yay, I'm gonna go ahead and use Kissing Booth by DIY because Kissing Booth, right? So I painted the sides of my drawers with one coat of beadboard by DIY. So we have a nice white base coat on there. You wanna get yourself a piece of saran wrap. Doesn't matter what brand, just get a cheap one and lay it out nice and flat. So then you want to get your napkin, your tissue paper, whatever you're using. I'm going to lay it on here. And I'm going to be using Liquid Patina by DIY. So it's a top coat, a transfer medium, and a decoupage medium. So we are going to start in the middle. Oh, it's been days and the lady comes back to the store and I've already painted it pink. And she's like, hey, I wanted to buy that lingerie cabinet. And I'm like, yeah, I painted it pink. I am sorry, I gave you 24 hours and then 5 more days. It's a beautiful Kissing Booth. We're gonna have some nice polka dot decoupage drawers and it'll be ready to sell in the store. I'm super excited about that. So let me know in the comments if anything like that has ever happened to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video where we do something fun with this for my little niece Isabella. See you soon.